Welcome to our virtual presentation. We hope you and your loved ones have remained safe and healthy during this unprecedented event. PassAssured's Pharmacy Technician Training Program, also known as Pharmacology for Medical Careers, is the solution to tie all of your health science programs together. You can use it with another certification or use it as a standalone for students to get nationally certified as a pharmacy technician. Student benefits include the ability to identify drugs. It's a CTE program that leads to national certification as a pharmacy technician. Students are prepped to enter the job market right after high school, and it can be used as HOSA competitive events preparation for events like pharmacology, clinical specialty, health career display, medical math, and job seeking. And as a result of incorporating pharmacology into health science pathways, students will be more marketable. Pathways that also use pharmacology are dental assistant, certified nursing assistant or CNA, EMTs, and first responders, among many, many others. Advantages to being a registered pharmacy technician. Students gain great healthcare experience, and it's an excellent way to work while in college. It's advantageous to use on an application to a professional school, or it can be used as a stepping stone to additional healthcare careers. According to the Bureau of Labor, the national average wage was just under $34,000 per year, or $16.32 an hour in 2018. There's a 7% growth expectancy between 2019 and 2029 in this field. This is the perfect opportunity for your students. Pharmacy technician duties and responsibilities include receiving written prescriptions or refill requests, demonstrating phone and communication skills, proficiency in science and math, maintaining student profiles, count, fill, and label prescriptions, compounding prescriptions, mixing IVs, and managing inventory. The course can be taught in the fall and/or spring semesters. The course content is pre-created by a pharmacist, and there is absolutely no formal training for educators or facilitators. Our course can be used as a standalone class, a class within a class if you only have a handful of students interested, distant or independent learning. Implementation of PassAssured's program is easy. The educator facilitates the student's progress throughout the course, and the content is completely online. And there are no minimum or maximum class sizes. All tests, quizzes, study aids, and exams are automatically graded. All educator materials are complimentary, including a student version for planning and self-certification purposes if you choose. The Learn files are accessible in one large file from the Educator Control Panel, as well as the Student Learning Center for your convenience. We really encourage the students to read through the Learn files. The videos only contain about 1/3 of the information that is in them. All test questions are pulled from the Learn files. While we realize that neither PassAssured nor educators can control everything, we really encourage that students enrolling in our course have a minimum of a 10th grade reading level and have passed Algebra 1. Our program is comprehensive, so reading level and a solid math foundation is key to passing the course and gaining a national certification. Because we are 100% internet-based, students can begin working at school and finish at home or wherever they have internet access. Constant review of all sections is necessary for success. For example, even if the student successfully passed federal law in February, they still would need to review the material at the end of the course and before sitting for the national certification exam. The Pharmacy Technician Training Program is compatible on PC and Apple computers and most tablets, also on cell phones. There are over 40 videos and Learn files for the student to view that cover orientation, federal law, medical review, aseptic technique, calculations, and pharmacy operations. Again, we're going to talk about those Learn files, which are included in the purchase of the program. The complete file will fill up a 2-inch 3-ring binder when printed. This serves as the student textbook, and they are critical to passing the course as well as the national certification exam. The study aids and flashcards are there to enhance the learning process, and they allow students to hear the correct pronunciation of the drug's brand and generic names, see what the drug looks like, its classification, and side effects. Test questions are randomly generated from a database of over 1,500 questions total. The exit exam is pulled from a completely separate database of questions so that you may be able to really test if the student has learned the material instead of memorizing questions that they may have seen repeated throughout the course. To register with the Board of Pharmacy, go to your Board of Pharmacy's website to find the specific instructions for the registration process, as well as any fees required and their deadlines. Not sure what your Board of Pharmacy's website address is? Go to PassAssured State Requirement Map and click on the state your students plan to work. So let's talk about the PTCE given by the PTCB. The fee is $129. In order to sit for the exam, the student must provide full disclosure of criminal actions and be trained via an approved course. The PTCE is 90 questions, 80 of which are scored. It is 1 hour and 50 minutes of allotted time, and testing is actually now available online. PassAssured's PTTP and the PTCE may be purchased together through PassAssured for a total of $399. The NHA's EXCPT is $117, and it has a few more requirements. The student must have successfully completed a pharmacy tech training program within the last 5 years, have a high school diploma or GED equivalent, or are within 60 days of earning their high school diploma, no felony conviction, and no disciplinary action by the State Health Regulatory Board. The EXCPT exam has 100 scored items and 20 pre-test items, 2 hours and 10 minutes of allotted test time, and testing is also now available online. So why choose PassAssured? It was created by a pharmacist. PassAssured has been training pharmacy technicians electronically since 2001. The program is implemented in over 30 states, and we have one-on-one customer service. Please contact us if you have any questions regarding our program.